The construction process of HM500 epoxy resin anchoring. First, drill holes in designed position. The depth and diameter of the hole should meet the requirements in order to meet bonding area and ensure the pulling strength. Clean and blow holes. Brush and blow for 3 times at least as recommended. Inject glue. HM500 equipped with a special static mixer and dispenser. Squeeze out the glue without full mixed in the front part of the cartridge. Inject glue from the bottom of the hole until fill the 2/3 of the hole. Polish the steel bar or anchor bolt before inserted to the hole. Inserting in one single direction until to the bottom of the hole. Keep stand for maintenance before curing. Horse Construction, professional manufacturer of advanced reinforcement materials.